All right, let's just jump right into it. If you're trying to keep up with AI, you know it feels, well, impossible, right? It's a total flood of information. But what if there was a way to actually manage it? That's what we're going to do today. We're going to walk through a blueprint for taming that AI news cycle. You know, the best way to describe it is like trying to drink from a fire hose. Seriously. Every single week, the AI space just explodes with news, new models, major announcements, research papers. It's a lot. And it feels like you can never quite catch up. And if you want to put a number on that feeling, we're talking somewhere between 200 and 400 new things to look at. And here's the crazy part. That's not for the whole week. That's what you could be staring at every single morning. It just never stops. And that sheer volume, it's enough to overwhelm anyone, no matter how hard you try to stay on top of things. So, how do you possibly deal with that? Well, there's this philosophy behind great curation, and it's summed up perfectly right here. I'll keep myself overwhelmed so that you don't have to be. See, the whole point is to dive into that chaos yourself, to do that hard, messy work of sifting through everything, so the people you're serving, they don't have to. It's a huge value add. And that leads us perfectly into our first section, the AI news overload. We've talked about the problem, this constant tidal wave of info. So now, let's start talking about the fix. And the fix is what we're calling the Curation Blueprint. Look, this isn't just about Googling stuff every morning. It's a real systematic process. It's designed to take that daily mess and turn it into something that's actually short, valuable, and, this is key, easy to understand. Okay, time to get our hands dirty. How do we actually build this thing? That brings us to our next section, building your command center. Think of this as the foundation for everything else we're going to do. So, the heart of this command center, the one tool that's going to let you wrestle that digital fire hose into submission, is a tool called Feedly. It's basically your central hub. Everything flows into this one place from all over the web, and it's all there, ready for you to sort through. And setting it up is actually way easier than you might think. It really just comes down to two main steps. First, we're going to centralize all the primary sources. And second, we're going to aggregate the aggregators. Let's break down exactly what that means. So step one is all about going straight to the horse's mouth. Inside Feedly, you're going to subscribe to the official blogs of all the big players. I'm talking Google, Meta, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Anthropic, you name it. The idea here is simple. You never want to miss a big announcement coming directly from the people who are building this technology. All right, now for step two, which really rounds out your system. It's not enough to just hear from the companies themselves, right? You need context. You need analysis. So this is where you add feeds from top-notch tech journalism sites like The Verge and TechCrunch. You pull in the specialized AI newsletters like The Neuron or AI Breakfast. And you can even set up custom web alerts to find keywords you care about across the whole internet. Okay, so your command center is built. You've got this steady stream of information flowing in every morning. Now comes the most critical part, and honestly, this is the part a machine can't do for you. It's time for finding the signal. And this is so important. Technology is great for getting you organized, but it can't tell you what's actually important. That's your job. The real work happens when you manually skim that entire feed every single day, looking for that small handful of stories that truly matter. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. Your core mission is separating the signal from the noise. The noise, that's all the minor product updates, the corporate PR fluff, the endless opinion pieces. You have to learn to just let that stuff fly by. The signal, that's what you're hunting for. We're talking major model updates, big policy changes, or tools that genuinely make people more productive. So what does a signal actually look like in the wild? Well, here are a few perfect examples. Anthropic dropping a brand new Claude model, that's a huge signal. OpenAI announcing they're shutting down side projects, that's a big deal. Or finding a new tool that gives people a real, actual boost in their workday, these are the stories you're looking for. Now, Feedly is your home base, but you can't just live there 24/7. To get the full picture, you gotta supplement it. And a fantastic way to do this is by creating custom lists on X, Twitter. Follow the top AI researchers, the key voices, and see what the community itself is buzzing about in real time. All right, so you've built the system. You're getting better at spotting the signal every single day. So where does all this lead? That brings us to our final section, from curation to creation.
This is where you take all that hard work and turn it into something genuinely valuable for other people.
I love this visual because it shows you the real power of this process. Think about it like a funnel. You've got over 300 different pieces of news coming in at the top every week, and this whole blueprint helps you distill and distill and distill until you're left with just the 7 most important stories. That's the magic right there. That distillation is the value. And the final product, the thing you're working towards with all this daily effort, is something like a weekly news breakdown, a super concise, high-value summary of only the stuff that actually matters. You're not just repeating the news, you're delivering clarity, you're saving people a ton of time. And really, that gets us to the heart of this whole thing, the mission behind the blueprint. This system, it's not just about hoarding information for yourself. It's about giving other people back their most precious resource, their time. It's about making them feel less overwhelmed in a field that moves at, light speed.
So there you have it. That's the full blueprint for taming the AI news cycle. From building your command center, to finding the signal, to creating something valuable. The process is clear, the tools are right there for you, so the only question left is, what signal are you gonna find?